as per sixth bullet, all this remains. Telnet and communication protocols are the remaining ones. So Telnet, what is Telnet? Telnet is nothing but remote login. That means you are residing in India and you want to log into a computer, log into a system that is residing in USA. That is only possible with the help of Telnet. Okay, terminal network, terminal network, full from terminal network. And what does Telnet do? It helps in providing remote login. What is remote login? Just now I told you are sitting at a distance place and you want to log into a different machines which is very apart from you, then that is only possible with this help of this protocol, that is Telnet. You can log into that system, you can access files, folders, you can delete, you can copy paste, you can move the folder from one section to the other. Okay, one part of the disk to the other part, whatever. All these are only possible with this help of Telnet. Then comes communication protocols. Under communication protocols, in the sixth bullet, all these are mentioned: GSM, GPRS, and WLAN. I am explaining in brief what are all these three. So GSM, as the name suggests, GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. नाम कैसे पड़ा? इससे G लिया, सिस्टम्स का S को लिया और इसका M को लिया, उससे आ गया नाम GSM. This was one more thing. Telnet usually works in a LAN. Where does Telnet work? कभी कभी आ जाता है. Any advantages? We can effectively use Telnet in a LAN. One point. Okay. Now communication protocols. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. Full form, Global System for Mobile Communication. One point. Second point. This was developed by European Telecommunication Standard Authority. Okay. So in the late 80s, 1980s, they developed it. This was mainly developed to make communication possible with the help of 2G. Second generation communication was made possible with the help of this GSM. Whatever SIM you are using nowadays is GSM SIMs. Alright. Then comes GPRS. GPRS is another way or another type of communication protocol. One point. GPRS is one type of communication protocol. The full form of GPRS, second point, General Packet Radio Service. This is the second point. Third point, GPRS can be effectively used in second generation as well as in third generation mobile communications. Alright, these are all communication protocols for mobile communications. Okay, so this was all about GPRS. Lastly, WLL. What is WLL? WLL stands for, WLL क्या है? WLL एक communication protocol है. Okay, telecommunications में use होता है. Full form है उसका wireless local loop. Wireless local loop. WLL का full form हो गया wireless local loop. And this you can use. This also can be used effectively in a LAN. Okay. Here what happens? वो जो हम लोग का लैंड फोन हुआ करता था वहाँ पे WLL फोन हुआ करता था उसका. Okay, in there this protocols was maintained, this protocol was followed, this protocol was adhered. In those, coaxial cables were removed using this WLL. That means coaxial cables can be done away with using WLL. Okay, what happens in cable? It becomes ill. Physical connection is to be established. Okay, if the connection is longer, then there are chances that people can hack those. Okay, or it can be hurt by that communication can be easily hurt, can be easily hijacked by someone else. Okay, someone else so जानबूझ के बदमाशी कर रहा है. Okay, that is not actually correct, not morally correct, but they do. That means coaxial cable में वो security नहीं था. That coaxial cable can be done away with WLL, wireless local loop. here wireless communication takes place. किसी को पता ही नहीं wireless हो रहा है. I am recording this lecture, 20 से सिग्नल ट्रेवल करके चला गया. Do I know? यहाँ से गया ना सिग्नल, यहाँ से गया, इसको पकड़ेंगे. So पता ही नहीं चलता है कौन सा तरफ से सिग्नल निकल गया. So it becomes communication is saved from being hijacked. All right. So this all were there in the 6th bullet. So 6th bullet is done away with along with this video. So next in the next video, further videos, I will be continuing with the syllabus, means with the next bullets and all. So I hope it was clear to you. Thank you for watching.